Bless up viewers, the subs, how you doing? Yeah, it's another beautiful day. It's the weekend. So we're here again doing our thing. Just making a little quick check on the road. We're gonna come back in, we're gonna do some videos for you guys. But what I want to talk about this morning in our little walk and talk is the OnlyFans. If you realize what's going on as it relates to the whole OnlyFans issue and everything that has been going on as it relates to that. So we realize that a number of people or local celebrities are signing on to the whole entire thing of the local fans, and it's becoming so popular that a number of local stars, entertainers are joining on it. They're posting videos, pictures, among other things. One such person that came open about the whole thing is dancehall recording artist The Angel. So The Angel started her OnlyFans page like a few weeks now, and it has garnered so much recognition right across that she has made millions of dollars from it, I'm told. But it just goes to show you that some of the times when we look down on certain situations and we look on what is being played out or what is being portrayed on the whole social media thing, some of the time negativity sells dramatically more than you can even think of. And when negativity sells in such a way, it's very clear that negativity always try to do over the good from time to time. And in such a situation, we have seen Diamond on it as well. I've also heard rumors that Chyna is also on it, and a number of international celebrities as well, including Cardi, Blac, Chyna. Recently I read an article about Blac Chyna stating that she makes I think it's between 18 to 20 million a month from her OnlyFans page. So what these individuals do basically is just upload videos or pictures of themselves, and they are being paid by persons online in order to view these. So they're making a whole lot of money from it. Guess what? I'm not here to bash anybody for what they're doing. It's their life. They have their own control over what they believe is right from wrong. I'm not saying it is wrong. I'm not saying it is right, but they have the control to do whatever they please. They are their own big person. They are in charge of their own life, as I said before. So I'm not here to dictate to them or say, oh, what they're doing is wrong, what they're doing is right. But they are garnering their money, and if this is the way they think that they can make life, then I cannot stop them from doing what they're doing. But in a situation such as this, and whenever they have like all kids or so, it's very difficult to see how this situation can play out at time. But as we look on and we see certain things, we have to just be mindful of the situations that are going on as it relates to this. And somebody, you have to remember that these people, they have kids as well, and they are in school, and we don't know if how this will impact their learning based on other students watching these videos or seeing these dramatic photos, or what should I say, explicit photos being posted online on social media as well. But a number of them basically are getting a lot of views, they're getting a lot of support from it, and they're making a whole lot of money from using this platform. But I don't believe that anything is wrong doing it, because at the end of the day, they have to find their means of survival. They're not hurting anyone basically, and it's an adult thing anyway. So it's not like you can be underage and you are on it. You have to be of a certain age gap in order to sign on to it. So they have to just do what they believe is right for them, and they just continue and just do their thing. Now recently Beenie Man did an interview with Teach Them, and Beenie Man was asked about that incident as well as it relates to the angel being on the OnlyFans thing. Well, Beenie Man's response to that was she is her own big person and that she must know if what she's doing is right from wrong.
Recently though, Beanie, she has been in the press in a negative light with this OnlyFans thing where some pictures have surfaced online where she's basically nude in some of them.
That have nothing to do with me.
Your boat is the mother of your child.
Yeah.
Teenager.
Like she's supposed to think about that. I can't tell her to think about her youth. She's supposed to do that. As a mother, she's not supposed to. Me and her talk about it, you know.
Yeah?
Because I call her and ask her that and she say, yo, oh, this and that and rare, and she have to do this and she have to do that. She never have to do that, but she did it.
And I really like how Beenie Man answered the question that was posted to him as it relates to the matter. Beenie Man did not really try to tear her down because at the end of the day, he's Beenie Man's baby mother anyway. So he's the mother of Beenie Man's son, Marco Dean. So Beenie Man did not really tear her down. Beenie Man just states that at the end of the day, whatever she's doing is up to her. She must know if she feels comfortable doing that. And I really like the way Beenie Man articulated himself within that interview and the way he just stated about the whole entire thing. He did not really try to downturn her or let she feel less of a woman than she is. But all I can say is that a number of people are joining onto the scheme and they are just doing their best in order to just see how much money they can make from the whole entire thing. But I can't really bash anyone as it relates to that. At the end of the day, they have their thing to deal with, they have their life to live, they have their money to make, they have their family to support, and with the whole entire thing now that is going on as it relates to the pandemic, this is why this thing has just escalated so dramatically and has blown up right across the world with a number of people right now stating that you should follow them on their OnlyFans page. But if you have not heard about it, you can just check it out and just get more information as it relates to it. But it's like an adult entertainment site in which people go on and you can view photos of your local celebrities or your international celebrities as well, because a number of them are also on the platform. But it's just a way and a means of income for many, and many people right now are tearing down the whole entire thing. A number of people are bashing the angel as it relates to what she's doing on it, and number of people are even stating that it's more like an erotic site per se, or a porn site basically. But as it stands, they are just doing their thing, and we cannot here to judge anyone. We're not here to let a people or an individual feel less of who they are. At the end of the day, they're an adult. They have to decide what they deem fit for themselves, and if they feel comfortable portraying themselves online in such a way or such a fashion, what can I do? What can I say? You just have to just leave that individual in order for them to realize what they're doing, and maybe one of the day they might stop, or they might even look into themselves and realize that what they are doing is wrong, or maybe they will not look into themselves, because at the end of the day, you are not supporting them, I'm not supporting them, and they are looking away and means of supporting themselves at the end of the day. So if they see a way in which they can make money in order to sustain their life and their well-being, and they are doing it, who are we to judge them? All right, no one is losing their life, no one is being hurt by the whole entire thing, and at the end of the day, no one is asking you to go on over there and visit them either, or be a fan of them. At the end of the day, that decision is up to you. So that is just my own take on the OnlyFans page, or the OnlyFans situation that have blown up on social media. So guess what? I'm just taking a walk out on this beautiful Saturday, and I just hope that you guys just enjoy your beautiful Saturday. As you can see around me there, it's a very cool morning, and I'm here as always with you. I've been off for a while, as I've said before in a previous video I did. I did not post any video for some time now. I think it was like over a week now. I've not been on the platform, but I'm back now, and I'll be just coming out with some really interesting videos, some really interesting topic as well. So you can just stay tuned for that to come. But just enjoy your weekend, and whatever you have to do today, just try to get it off early and just plan your day ahead, because you don't know what's up as it relates to the weather as well. I heard that in the Caribbean they have been experiencing some real terrible weather for the past few days, but you just have to do what you have to do and just continue just to just stay blessed and continue to support the movement of Links TV. Alright, guess what? I'm gonna leave this video here for now. Peace out for now. Bless.